Introducing the Tamp RA82 wheel balancer, bringing the form and function of a fully automatic wheel balancer to a robust, user-friendly machine. Using the LCD interface, we can set the wheel placement mode based on the wheel type. Run the unbalance optimization procedure to accurately balance the wheel. Run a self-diagnosis. Select the parameters for your preferred method of operating and run a self-calibration to ensure consistency in the balancing. Let's test an aluminium mag wheel. ALU2 mode is selected, and the inner measuring arm is used to indicate the weight placement positions. The hood is then closed to start the first test cycle. Based on the test, a 45-gram clip-on weight is placed at the 12-hour laser. Next, a 45-gram stick-on weight is placed at the 6-hour laser. Stick-on weights can also be applied using the inner arm. The position is indicated on screen. The hood is then closed again to start the final test cycle. The machine reads 00, meaning that no further weights are required and the wheel is balanced.